Hello, hello, beautiful soul. I'm Faith Hunter, and it is time to embrace the tender warmth of spring. It is around the corner. And you know what? It's time for us, even here in New Orleans, to derobe, let go of the chill. It's done, it's over. And it's time for us to press the reset button on our lives. Today, I just want to chat about how you and I can soften into spring and basically create a space for physical, emotional, as well as spiritual renewal. So, grab a cup of sweet tea with a little ice, maybe a lemon, maybe a mint julep, baby, and let's start our season with intention and grace. Spring is definitely a really powerful symbol of renewal and rebirth. Just as the earth blooms and moves through its own transitions, so do we. And it's about more than just the regular spring cleaning or reorganizing the closet. It's really about cleansing your body, making space for new growth and possibilities, and rejuvenating your spirit. First, let's talk about resetting our bodies. After those long months of winter, right, we're often static and our bodies are craving. I don't know about you, but my body craves even more movement and nourishment that revitalizes me. So, of course, drink your water, mind your wellness business, like take care of you. But also, I want you to introduce some detoxifying foods into your diet. So, I mean, like fresh greens, citrus, pineapples are amazing, and of course, lots of berries. All of those things are bursting with vitamins, antioxidants, and nature's life force. Now, as a yoga teacher, I also definitely incorporate a little bit more movement. I usually start off pretty gentle, right? With my gentle stretches in the morning before I get out of bed. I love just doing simple twist, cat and cow, forward folding, anything that is going to support me in my personal alignment, meaning my mental, physical, and spiritual alignment. And this is the opportunity for my body to align first thing in the morning. I also take time to get outside. I love, love, love walking along the Mississippi River. And then sometimes I take a little shortcut or maybe a long cut through Armstrong Park, hug a tree or two. All of this is about connecting to Mother Nature. So get out there, move your body. All right. Emotionally, spring is challenging us to let go. Let go of the old and make room for new energy and more vibrancy. I want you to start with my favorite mindfulness practice. So I have a couple of techniques. The first one is actually first thing in the morning, gratitude. And then after that, a little breath work and a short meditation. Doesn't have to be long, right? Just something simple and easy to help set the tone for your day. Now, if you have a little bit more time, or maybe later in the day, or maybe even just once a week, journaling, because journaling is another powerful tool I love using to reflect. So, here are a couple of journal prompts. What are you ready to release this season? What are you inviting into your life? That's easy. Two journal prompts, or maybe just one at the end of the day. Now, this practice not only clears the mind, but also sets a purposeful direction for you. Now, if you're looking for a few more journal prompts, I do have some spring journal prompts. You can click the button up here, or you can click the link down there. Spring is a really potent time to deepen our connection with ourselves, the divine, and the power of the universe. And I love actually setting new daily spring affirmations. And these are typically related to growth and renewal. Here's an example. I open my heart to the abundance of the universe. Here's another one. Every day, I grow more powerful and aligned with my purpose. So I encourage you to explore also not just a new affirmations, but maybe a few spiritual practices or maybe revisit a practice. Now, these spiritual practices will definitely cultivate joy and a little bit more creativity. Sometimes I like revisiting one of my Kundalini practices, but I also like taking maybe a new workshop, doing a retreat, or simply just grabbing a book that's going to nourish my soul. And of course, surround yourself with your tribe, your community. Invite people in, connect with people that are all about positive vibes because this energy is going to amplify you because they're on the same journey, the journey of wellness. All right. As you transition into spring, don't get overwhelmed. Take your time, ease into it. Embrace the change that is slowly happening step by step. And of course, allow yourself to align naturally at your own pace. I encourage you to take that time out to refresh your body, renew your mind, and of course, rejuvenate your spirit. Thank you, beautiful one, for joining me. And may your spring be filled with boundless peace, joy, and softness. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Stay spiritually fly. Ciao.